In recent years, Bitcoin has become a buzzword in the world of finance and technology. But what exactly is Bitcoin, and why is it gaining so much attention? In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of Bitcoin, its underlying technology, and its potential impact on the future of finance. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency, often referred to as cryptocurrency, that was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, such as the US dollar or the euro, Bitcoin is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any single entity like a central bank. How does Bitcoin work? At its core, Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. The blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is verified and added to a block, which is then linked to the previous blocks, creating a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Bitcoin transactions are made possible through a process called mining. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles, which validate and secure transactions on the network. In return for their efforts, miners are rewarded with newly created bitcoins and transaction fees. Key characteristics of Bitcoin. Decentralization. Bitcoin is not controlled by any government or central authority. Instead, it relies on a network of users and miners to verify transactions. Limited supply. Unlike fiat currencies that can be printed indefinitely, there is a finite supply of bitcoins. Only 21 million will ever exist. This scarcity is built into the Bitcoin protocol and is designed to mimic the scarcity of precious metals like gold. Pseudonymity. While Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain, the identities of the parties involved are not directly linked to their public addresses. This pseudo-anonymity offers a certain level of privacy but also presents challenges in terms of regulatory compliance. Irreversible transactions. Once a Bitcoin transaction is confirmed and added to the blockchain, it cannot be reversed. This makes Bitcoin transactions immutable and resistant to fraud. Use cases of Bitcoin. Store of value. Many people view Bitcoin as a digital alternative to gold, a store of value that can protect against inflation and economic instability. Medium of exchange. Despite its volatility, Bitcoin is increasingly being used as a medium of exchange for goods and services, particularly in industries such as e-commerce and remittances. Investment. Some investors see Bitcoin as a speculative investment opportunity, hoping to profit from its price volatility and potential for long-term growth. Conclusion. Bitcoin represents a revolutionary shift in the way we think about money and finance. Its decentralized nature, limited supply, and innovative technology have captured the imagination of millions around the world. Whether you're intrigued by its investment potential, fascinated by its underlying technology, or simply curious about its future, Bitcoin is undoubtedly a phenomenon worth exploring further. As with any emerging technology or asset class, it's essential to do your research and proceed with caution. But one thing is for sure: the Bitcoin revolution is just getting started. If you found this video informative and engaging, please consider sharing it with your friends and family. And if you'd like to stay updated on more topics like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Thank you.